everyone, Marley is back with another episode of Cheat Codes, and today we are going to be reviewing what in the world a payday loan is. So let's dive in. To start, Cheat Codes and Copper do not recommend payday loans if you can prevent them. But we do think it's important for you to know about them if you ever find yourself in a position where you need one. So let's say one day you're driving along and all of a sudden your radiator decides to stop working. You don't have the $500 to cover that cost. So you decide that the best way to get the money you need to cover the cost is through a payday loan. You find out that they'll loan you the $500, but there's an interest rate of 400%. And you have to pay it back in 2 weeks. That means for every $100 you borrow, you'll be paying $15 in interest. So for a loan of $500, you'll be paying a minimum of $75. That's a lot of money. Plus, a lot of people fall into the trap of not being able to repay the original payday loan, so they get another one, and eventually they've snowballed. In short, payday loans can get really expensive really fast. While rates vary depending on states' regulations, a typical 2-week payday loan carries a fee of $10 to $30 for every $100 borrowed. Now beware, payday loans are marketed heavily to people who have difficulty making ends meet each month. But once you start taking out payday loans, it becomes very easy to depend on them. One of the appeals of the payday loans is that they have a very simple application process. You provide your identification, banking details, and a few other minor details, but once approved, you receive your money either right away or within 24 hours. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, payday loan companies can set up customers to become reliant on them because they charge large fees and require quick repayment of the loan. This requirement makes it difficult for the borrower to pay off the loan and still meet all of their regular monthly expenses. To add to the problem, many borrowers have loans at several different businesses, which worsens the situation. So although getting fast money can be tempting, taking out a payday loan to cover non-emergency items like a vacation or a trip makes way less sense than saving up your funds over time. Careful budgeting and an emergency fund can usually prevent the need for a payday loan. That's all for this episode of Cheat Codes. Be sure to tune in every week for more financial tips and tricks. Marley out.